Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am here in our family room, and this is the room in the house that we spend the most of our time in. And boy, I just love the bright red pops of color in here that we use for the holiday season. It is such a bright, cheerful room. And if we're talking about the Christmas rooms having a theme, this is our more Swedish focused room in that we decorate with Tomten. So Tomten are Swedish. There are little like gnomes, little elves that supposedly live in Sweden year round, and they can cause trouble or they can be very helpful. And usually we do call them gnomes in America, but these are all little Swedish made Tomten here. And I decorate our larger area with them and then some of the smaller shelves. So I'll have you come on over and take a look at them and some of our larger gnomes. So there's probably too many Tomten here to go through each individually, but I do want to point out a few that just really jump out at me and give you a moment to sort of take all of these in. Now, some of these I've picked up at special Swedish shops, but the majority of them I've actually found at Home Goods, or my mom has found them at Home Goods for me. And there are a few different types. Most of them have the Swedish flag on their foot, and it tells you what type of the Tomten they are. And so these to me are just precious. So a couple things to point out in my top shelf here. Look at this tree. This was a tree made by my Uncle Dave, who did woodworking, and he made these for the entire family one Christmas. This is a nice piece to add in to just offset all these Tomten. So I think it's important whenever you have a collection like this that you sort of put in some other things too to highlight what you have. So I have some of these larger Tomten up here. This is one of my favorites given to me by my daughter, and he is holding a wooden moose. Isn't that adorable? I love the eyes of most of these Tomten. They're just so cute peeking out. And then I have some smaller Tomten too. Here's one with his little package, and I purchased on Etsy this tiny little felted cat to sit on here too. I like to personalize things to fit the things that I like, and you know that I love cats, so having a little cat there just works so well. And some of these Swedish woodmakers also add in like angels or other things here too, so you'll see a few of those along the way. This is another favorite. Take a look at this goat. Now, the Swedish folklore have a number of goats in them, so this is just so cute, and it just fits in here perfectly. Let's take a step over here a bit. So this little area underneath our TV is really precious. Look at this little Swedish girl. I just love how delicate her dress is with all the little fur, and then look at her little clog shoes. Isn't that adorable? So cute, and the braids. So I've sort of just lined all of these up, and I even have the Swedish Santa Lucia. We're past Santa Lucia Day, which is December 13th, and on that day, usually it's the oldest girl in the family can bake their special sweet rolls and bring them to the family for that morning, which I really think we should do. So Yelith, you need to come back home and you need to do that for your mom. Come on over here. Over in this part of the shelf, I have some other Tomten made by another Swedish woodworker, and we can see on the bottom, this is the boutique pieces here, and they have like little additions, I would say, that tell you a little bit more about Swedish tradition. So we know that the Tomten love their pots of rice, and there's actual pieces of rice here, and here is one of the Tomten sleeping on his burlap bag, very cute. And that really, offsets how simple some of these Tomten are. So this one is just, you know, the wood pieces and these real simple shapes that are put together. And I love the contrast of that, of some real delicate details and then some of the more simple woodworking. Here's another little Tomten girl, this time with a little carry-on of apples there. And her apron is tied so cute, once again wearing those cute little clogs. And some of the Tomten hold different things that are either important culturally in Sweden or just cute. I happen to love this little sheep. Now in this room, we just have a couple tiny little trees, mainly because we were concerned the cats might be really into the trees this year, but they have ignored them, which is great. We have some of the plastic balls on here, but this is also our Swedish tree. So we have little Swedish Tomten hanging on here, and these Swedish Tomten were actually brought back from Sweden by my mother-in-law, which is so lovely. They are adorable. And here is a little Swedish sheep. Isn't that so cute? And topped off with one of our gnomes. So our Swedish little tree here. And we have another tree on the other side. But first, I want to take you around the corner this way to see where I have a few more of our Tomten. So if you take a look way up here, I also have a bunch more of our Tomten and some of the garland, which I just love. And take a look at this reindeer. He's hilarious. I love him. I found him actually at one of our local nurseries, and what can I say? He had to come home, even though he's not particularly Swedish. But if I were a reindeer in Sweden, that's how I'd want to look. And we have some more of our Swedish pieces here. And I'm going to bring you around the corner so you can see Pickle. Pickle is having a great time playing with everything today. Aren't you, baby? Yes, let's go and show them the other Tomten on the shelves. This is the other little tree that we have in our family room. This is our angel tree. Isn't that cute? This was handcrafted by someone, and I think that's so adorable. There are a couple little angel ornaments on here, and then just our plastic balls for the cats. And one of the additions this year, this adorable pillow I found at Home Goods, and every once in a while the cats come up and nose it to see what it is. It's very cute. You'll see that we have a lot of cat decorations too, like this really cute throw, also a Home Goods find. Anything that's warm and cozy and cats, I figure can fit into the decor somewhere. So up on the wall here, we've added some of these little picture frame shelves, and these are one of the favorite things that I've added to this area. They're not too overwhelming. They are nice and close to the wall. I ordered these on Amazon. I'll put the link below. And then I had some leftover paint. They came a real white color, and I just repainted them with the trim color so that they match really, really well. And I have some more of the Tomten up here, a cute little dog. And here's our Dala horse, so cute. And this ornament, actually at the after Christmas sales, keep your eyes open for things that you can sort of repurpose to fit your design the best. This was white with some Christmas words on it, and I just spray painted it red, and I have a couple others, and I find they just make a really nice backdrop to sort of show off some of these things and brighten up what's a very plain color on the wall. Directly opposite here, I have 3 more little shelves. So here are the 3 other picture shelves that came as a set, and we have a whole bunch more Tomten. This little singer with her music book, one with a candle. I think this is a gingerbread heart. I really like that. And then up here we have one with a Christmas tree. You'll notice there are 2 little cats, like Pumpkin and Pickle, sitting here. These I ordered off of Amazon, but I thought they just fit in so well. And if you go way up the top, this couple saying Good Yule, And we have a Tomten with some packages and one that's perfect for the garden mouse holding her pot of flowers. So that gives you an idea of our family room. I'm just going to swing you over here one more time. There also are a couple larger Tomten here. This one I found at the after Christmas sale at Marshall's last year. All of my Tomten that are on the larger side have been gathered at either after Christmas sales or gifts, and they really are quite cute. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.